All right, here we go. Oh my goodness. Hi, I am Sarah. Do you love music and wish that you could sign the songs that you love in sign language? This video is for you. In this video, I am going to show you how to take any song and learn how to sign it using a simple 3-step process. Now, the goal of this video is not to turn you into an ASL expert. It is simply to teach you a simple process to take a song that you love and turn it into a basic, simple sign language script that you can learn so that you can express the songs that you love in sign language. The first step is going to be to hop online and find the lyrics for the song that you want to sign. This can be done on any number of websites. So thank God there are so many websites that you can go to now to easily find lyrics for songs. So just go to your favorite one, look up the song that you're wanting to learn, and then the next thing we're going to want to do is create our, what I like to call, Song to Signs worksheet. This is going to be just a simple document with 2 columns and rows for each line in the song. You can create this in Google Docs or Microsoft Word or Excel or Notion, but if you want to keep it super simple, I would love to gift you a copy of my Song to Signs worksheet. This is a worksheet that I created for a course that I made several years ago, also called Song to Signs, to help teach beginning signers how to translate and sign the worship songs that they love. So if you'd like to take advantage of that, I'll put a link in the comments for you to download that. So now that you've got your lyrics and you've got your document, you will want to go ahead and copy and paste those lyrics into your Song to Signs worksheet. You're going to put the lyrics on one column, but you're going to want to drop each lyric into its own row. That is very important. You want to break up those lyrics in the first column of your table. Go ahead and drop those lyrics in there. And then the other column is what we're going to use for the signs that you are going to choose to sign that specific line in the songs. Now is the fun part. You want to go ahead and choose the signs that you're going to be using to sign that specific line. So the goal of this process is not to translate the song into an ASL version of the song. You should only be doing that if you are an experienced interpreter or ASL person. The goal of this video and the goal of this process is for you to be empowered as a beginning signer to begin to express the songs that you love and sign. So exercise restraint. Go ahead, listen to the song a few times. Look through the lyrics as you're listening, and what I want you to do is go ahead and circle the words in that lyric that speak the most to you, that express that part of the lyric that is the most inspiring, the most powerful, the most impactful for you. We are going to start by only signing 1 or 2 words for each line in the song. The idea, again, is not to translate the song into an ASL version. It's for you to be empowered to be a creative signer, to sing this song and sign. It's a private practice, I like to say. Again, listen to the song a few times, look at the lyrics, and go ahead and just circle key words in that lyric that you want to sign as you're singing the song. All right, so I wanted to give you an example of what this might look like, and I'll just use an old hymn called Amazing Grace. So the way the lyric goes, if I remember correctly, if I remember correctly, which I should, amazing grace, amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, now I'm found. I once was blind, now I see. So I've lost count. That's a lot of words. So a simple way to sign this lyric with as much grace and beauty is what I feel like in the song would be something like amazing or wonderful grace, how sweet, and I'm not even going to sign sound, sweet, that saved me. I don't have to necessarily say saved a sinner or saved a wretch like me. I can just say it saved me. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. Gosh, I once was lost. In the past I was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, now I see. So as you can see, it's very simple, and even that may be a little bit too much. You could say, I once was blind, but now I see. So blind, now see is a simple way to sign that lyric while still feeling and expressing the heart behind the meaning of the song. So that is what you're going for. Again, do not try to sign every single word. Do not try to mentally finagle translating it into the sentence structure of ASL, which is different than English. Just grab specific words that express the heart and the meaning of the song for you and use those in your sign language lyric sheets. The next step is to actually grab those keywords, go online and find your signs. Again, there are a ton of websites that you can go to. There are some that have been around for decades, some that are new. And then the other resource I want to share with you is actually investing in your own sign language dictionary, which is super helpful. And so I will actually show on screen a couple of the websites that I really love and have used over the years. And so you can take a look at those. You can also Google, and then I'll also go ahead, and these are a couple of the sign language books that I have invested in to help me translate songs. So keep in mind that even as a native signer, which I am, my mom and dad were deaf. Sign language was my first language. So I'm a native signer. However, there are, I don't know, hundreds and thousands of signs. I don't know all of them. My parents didn't use all of them. So even as a native signer, having these sign language dictionaries, having these resources is super helpful. So please take advantage of what you can find. You're going to grab those signs, and what I like to do and what I suggested in my course is for you to actually maybe create a bookmark folder where you can keep a quick link to each one of those signs, and then that way when you're ready to sit down and practice, you can actually pull them up quickly and easily. So if you are not able to find the specific word that you're looking for, maybe it's a concept, maybe it's just unusual, go ahead and find a synonym for that word. You can also look at that lyric and try to imagine what it's expressing, and then choose your own sign to express that which that song is trying to express, but using different words. So no worries, don't feel locked into those specific words. You have the freedom. Again, this is your translation of this song into your sign language song. So feel free to do that. All right, so just to recap what we've done so far, you've gotten the lyrics for your song, you've created your song to signs worksheet, you've chosen the words you want to sign, you've looked for those words, you've grabbed links for those signs, and now the last step is just to practice. So this is your time to just first practice your signs, and then go ahead and put that song on repeat and practice signing your song. What you are going to find as you begin to get more confident with the song and the signs is just an internalization of the beauty and the passion of that song. What I have found in my own personal sign language worship practice is that the song becomes even deeper, the meaning becomes even more powerful, and I even become even more emotional as I sign the songs that I love. Thank you, thank you, thank you for following this channel, watching this channel. I pray that this process is helpful for you no matter what song you choose to sign. Have a great day. Enjoy this video, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.